What if I told you the skills you use to procrastinate are worth $30 an hour? While everyone's applying to fast food jobs, smart teens are turning their screen time into actual businesses. Tutors make $50 an hour for Saturday prep. You could be that tutor. Virtual assistants earn $18 an hour organizing email stuff you already do for free. Reselling thrift finds pulls in cash because you know what's trendy before everyone else. That elderly neighbor who can't figure out their iPhone, they'll pay you. Local businesses with dead Instagram accounts, they need someone who gets the algorithm. Print on demand hit $38 billion. Stop treating your digital fluency like it's normal. To older generations, what you do naturally is a superpower they'll pay for. Follow teenlearner.com for more tips to money and freedom.